Hi guys, welcome back to Destiny Vlog. I'm laughing because it's like, I bet y'all like, damn, this bitch do not fuck with us no more. She do not love us no more. No, babes, that's not the truth. That could be furthest from the truth, y'all. I have been solely focusing on TikTok right now. I've been really trying to build my TikTok up, but I don't know. I just been trying to build my TikTok up. I've been posting almost every day on TikTok, posting my 75 heart vlogs. And I just haven't been focused on YouTube because I just feel like I haven't had great content for you guys. Like, YouTube is my longer form of content. And I really haven't been doing shit, y'all. Like, I literally have been working out, going to work. That's it. Like, that's all I've been doing. So I was like, I don't really want to pick up the camera because it's just feeling stupid. I know, but we're back. We're back and we're better, babes. Today is a pack with me vlog. So pack with me for EDC. I have so much to do. It's very insane to pack and just get ready for overall. Number one, my hair has to get done today. Yeah. Take that in. Take that in. And you know how long that shit's gonna take. Number two, Exhibit A. I have all of this laundry that I really want to get done and put away. I know, it's insane. I know, it's insane. And I also have to pack, so like, I might need some of this stuff. So I really need to like put it away and like get my shit together. And I'm working today. I should have taken off today. Why did I work today? Why? I don't know. I genuinely, I just don't know. I gotta go to the store. I gotta go buy some stuff. It's just gonna be a very good vlog because we've got a lot of stuff to do. Very fast paced. It's gonna be all over the place. I hope that you guys are having a very good November. Yes, I plan on doing Vlogtober every day. And honestly, vlogging for 75 hard every day for TikTok just took over. And I just couldn't keep up. And that's just my honest, that's what the fuck happened. So let's get it started. Okay, now first things first, we're packing up the content stuff. So I have this little case. I got this, where did I get this case from? I got this off of Amazon and I'll link it for you guys. It holds all of my SD cards, and I love that. It holds all of my SD cards. That's what it's for. I have all of these SD cards, and I have one in my camera right now. So I have a 128 in my camera right now, so I have 3 here, so I have 4. Then I have a 32, a 16, and a 64 for my husband. They do come with these, like, things that you can also put SD cards in. Because I have so many, I really just wanted them in one case. So yeah, and then I got this little bag off of Shein and it says etc. So I just put like random shit in here and I put this case in here. And I put my batteries in here. So these are my batteries. I have 3 here. I have 1 in the camera. And then I have 2 charging right here. So in total, I have 6 batteries, which is probably just not enough, I feel like, on a ZV-1, but it is what it is. So first, we're going to pack the content backpack because it's important. Like, we just need it. So this is my content backpack. This is her in all her glory. Let me get some more lighting over here because the lighting over here is ass. Okay, so I emptied out my backpack. There's literally nothing in here, really. I have some chapstick up here and a pen, and then I have my, what's it called up here? Which I think this goes to something. I just need to figure out what this goes to, but I think this goes to like a tripod. I just gotta figure it out. But I also have lens wipes. I always keep lens wipes with me because I am a glasses wearing girl. And that means that I need them. Like, because if you wear glasses, you know. When your glasses get dirty, that shit is so aggravating. So we're gonna pack up our little pack here. And there is, let me show you. There's a zipper pocket right here, and that's where I pretty much shove everything into. So we're gonna shove that in there. And then we have our batteries. Now, I usually put that silver pouch in this thing, but I'm gonna put my batteries in here for now. And then I'm just waiting on my other batteries to charge. Okay, we're gonna zip that up. And we're also going to throw it in that pack, in that little pouch right there. Okay, we got to get some other stuff. Let me go grab it. I found my taser that I got off of Amazon. We're going to pack that too. And then I also found my AirPods, so that's those. And then I know I'm going to take a tripod. I'm going to take my speaker. I think. I don't know. We'll see. But I was looking this whole time for these battery packs. I bought these so long ago. Well, no, Jonathan got me these. My husband got me these from our, for Christmas a while ago. So they're charging. Along with the battery still charging because these are essential. Both of these are going with me every day, fully charged. I'm not playing any games. Say hello to y'all furry cousin. He is like in a good mood today. Y'all see how he leave his shit around my house? Toy 1, Exhibit A. Toy 2, Exhibit 2. Toy 3, Exhibit 3. Toy 4, Exhibit 4. Look at this one. Toy 5, Exhibit 5. Okay, this is what the bed is looking like. So these are my EDC outfits. Sheen Freedom Rave Wear, which you can see right here. Sheen. This is from I Heart Raves, as you can see right here. And y'all see, I'm so girly. I got my wedding little bands, little silicone bands, color coordinated outfits. But okay, so I should have ordered this in a 1X. I ordered this in a 2X because I don't know, like I have, you know, a butt, hips, all that stuff, thighs. So I was just thinking, okay, I need a 2X. Like looking at the sizing chart, you need a 2X. So everything fits from the waist down. When you get up here, it's too loose. Like my boobs are not looking good in it. I'm gonna bring it just in case I want to wear it, but it's not very flattering. Like it's not really giving me much, so probably won't be wearing that. So good thing I did buy some random shit off of Shein, because these two outfits I wasn't gonna buy off of Shein, but I was like, if it doesn't fit, all else fails, we'll have these. So those are the outfits. These three. I think they're really cute. They're really vibrant. And I got my little rings matching. And then so for the first day, I'm going to wear these black Vans, black and white Vans, because the checker print, I feel like it just goes together. Second day with this outfit, I'm going to wear these all black Vans. And then for this day, I think I'm just going to go to Walmart and just get some random white sneakers. So I don't care about them getting dirty. They're going to be cheap. And I want to wear those. And I'm sending this back, which sucks because I really like this. It's so like the design is so cute, but it's just not giving. It's just not giving. I'm packing all of my clothes and shoes in this Vera Bradley bag. It's a duffel. My mom got me this a really long time ago. It's very special to me. I'm never getting rid of it. This is my tech backpack, of course, which is not finished packed. And then I have just like random shit here. This is my makeup bag. And then I just have like random stuff. I gotta find my organizer. I bought this organizer off of Amazon a while ago, and it just like has all my toiletries. You can put all that stuff in there. So I gotta get that stuff. And I need to start picking out like underwear and like just, this is our closet right now. Just like random clothes I want to wear and stuff. So yeah, we have a lot more to do. A lot more to do. But this is how everything is looking so far. Chaotic. So I know y'all know Miss Jackie on TikTok, but obviously she's a YouTube OG. But she says that she puts out her outfits before she goes on her trips and takes pictures. She puts her outfits out on the bed before she goes on her trips, and she takes pictures so that when she gets to her trip, she doesn't forget the combinations that she came up with. I think that is the most genius, brilliant thing ever. So I'm trying to figure that out now. So I got my rings all set up, which honestly with this outfit, this ring or this ring will work. It just really doesn't matter. But for sure this outfit, I gotta wear the pink. I guess I should have bought 3 of these. I only bought 2. So yeah, I'm trying to figure out which should go with which. I really don't know. This is more of like a lighter pink, so I'm like, it could go, honestly, it could go with any 3 of these outfits. It really doesn't matter. So I don't know. And then this one is just, you can wear with any outfit. I really don't know, so I have to figure that out. I also have stockings I got from Shein. So these have little like diamonds on them, little crystals. That's cute. Look at it. So I'm trying to figure out which outfit to wear with these. Which I'm thinking the middle one, but it could also go to this one. And then I have these hot pink ones. And this is where I don't know what the fuck I was thinking, because this hot pink does not go with anything. Honestly, I was probably thinking close to this. But yeah, so I don't know what to do with those. And then I have regular, wide, kind of, you know, shaped stockings that I tried on. And then I have like these smaller, you know, shaped stockings or whatever. And I tried them on, I have dog hair on them, which sucks. But yeah, so that's what's going on. I'm trying to figure all this shit out. So yeah. I want to show you guys the backpack that I got. It's a water backpack. I got it off of Amazon. I saw it on TikTok, and it holds 2 liters of water. It's a hydro pack, and I'm really super excited about it. I'm really excited about it. But that's, so yeah, this is what I'm going to be carrying at EDC. But my last battery finished charging, so we're going to pack that up. I'm also going to pack up some cute phone cases. I really want to get like a phone lanyard to go around my neck. Just because, I don't know, I just feel like that would be convenient. So we're going to put that in there. And then put that back in here. And then we're going to also bring the charger for my batteries, because that's essential. So we're going to put that right there. Put that in there. Okay, so I'm on my 30-minute break. I'm about to start doing my hair. I'm doing the parting, and my cousin is doing the rest. She's doing passion twists in my hair. So I'm just going to take out the twists as I do the parting. I just feel like that's just easier. So yeah, let's get started and do that. I got my little speaker right there, and then I got my phone, so I'm about to start playing some music, and let's see what I get done in 30 minutes. Hey guys, so it's Friday morning. Sorry, that's Russ sneezing in the background, but hey guys, it's Friday morning. We're gonna get everything packed up and go to my cousin's house because we gotta leave soon. First, I need to take a shower. I just got back from a 45-minute walk, 1.33 miles. Don't play with me. But yeah, look. We still got bullshit laid out. I went and got my hair done last night. It's super cute. Passion twist, nothing too crazy, nothing too, nothing too crazy. So we're gonna take a shower first, and then we're gonna pack up all this goodness and get on the road. Okay, so I just got out the shower. I feel so much better, y'all. So much better. The sun is hitting. We're in a good mood. We're in a good vibe. I'm so excited, y'all. I'm so fucking excited, y'all. Like, EDC vlog is gonna be lit. It's gonna be lit, y'all. And I think it'll be a good, like, second video back on the scene, on the YouTube scene. Okay, so let's go ahead and pack up because we literally have to go. I think I'm supposed to be at my cousin's house by 11. It's 10:23. She lives 50 minutes away, so we're already late. We're already late. I'm gonna set you guys down on the bed, and then we're just gonna pack up. I'm not gonna do too much talking because I'm gonna put my music on. I need a vibe, and I don't want to get copyrighted. By the way, love my Stanley Cup. Stuff stays cold so long. It's a fucking game changer. I don't understand how my bathroom door literally just locked like that. Put the speaker on. Alright, let's explain the packing I just did. This is my tech backpack, and so this is going to carry like all my batteries, SD cards for vlogging, and then this is my water hydro pack that I'm actually taking to EDC. Holds 2 liters of water, so that's what this backpack is for. So yeah, I gotta put my chargers and some other stuff in there. Makeup bag. I feel like y'all are zoomed the fuck in. But you know, this bag has my shoes, toiletries, and then this bag has my clothes and like some more stuff like pads, makeup remover wipes, moisturizer, tampons, bobby pins, all that stuff. So that's my 4, you know, carry-on items. I know it's a lot for only like 3 days, but like as a female, if you know, you just fucking know. So yeah. So now I just need to put on my shoes, kind of like get some last minute things, go put the stuff in the car, and then do like a 1-over check just to make sure I literally have everything that I possibly need. And then it's time to go, and we're EDC Orlando bound, baby. I'm excited. I am really excited. I am gonna miss like my man and my dog, but I'm overall I'm excited. So all right, let's go put this stuff in the car.